Yo gang, what's happening? Is your boy Busy back with a brand new video, and today we're gonna be diving into the markets. Just another regular day of trading. Gonna be going Euro USD. Gonna try to make some money off of it. We keep with the one trade a day. Today it's gonna be only one trade. We're gonna try to make sure that we're in a profit on that one trade. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So gang, let's dive right into the chart, and as you can see, I've got everything set up. I've got my indicators on, just the regular stuff I've been using all the time. 200 EMA, easy to copy, and I'm using just the stochastic oscillator. But I've been looking at the market since it opened, seeing like it went from an upward trend. We drilled down a little bit downwards. This market has still been going downwards. You can see we've all been below. Anytime it pops off of that 200 EMA, it seems to fall right back down. So right here, it seems like it's making a little run upwards, but I don't really think so, because we want to take the highest point here in the market since the opening. Would be somewhere around 1.12. That's for 5 minutes. You can see another one right here, and just to get closer to our point right here. So first thing we want to go check also our higher time frames, I mean, so we can see that definitely we're way below in our 30 minutes time frame, way below our 200 EMA, showing us basically the market has been in a downward trend. Let me close this real quick. So we can see we're in downward trend. Now it comes to our entry. Now we know we're in a downward trend, despite the fact that you see that moving upwards and the candles are green. Now we're looking for how can we make money. So here is where we start to think about what are the things that we could go. We could probably enter into a call for a minute, or for 5 seconds. I think that we could be able to take a little bit of profit off of this. If we were to go for 1 minute into a call, we have a chance. Go to a 1 minute time frame and just see. We have a little bit of a chance to make, but I want to focus on longer time frame. So maybe we'll go 3. I'm gonna go back to my 5 minutes. So entering into a call here might be the thing to do, but I think if we're going 5 minutes, it's better if we just go into a put, in my opinion, despite the fact that we see very strong green candles, but we've seen that price being pushed down, and we've seen that it's crossed, and every time that it's crossed over 200 EMA, it gets pushed back. So right here, we're waiting to see a situation where the market gets pushed back right here. I think that we'll go big boy money, double it, go 5 bands on this. Just waiting. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're gonna wait for this candle to go out, and once it does, that seemed like a good spot to enter. All right, we'll go a little earlier. We'll go a little earlier. So 5 minutes. Don't get us a little worried, but I think that we're gonna get it done pretty much easy. So as you can see, getting those multiple time frames is very important. And once you've had like a bigger picture of where the market is going to in that whole situation, first things in your mind is try to find that right time frame that you feel that the market is going to go based on your analysis and what you see. It's very important here because it could be the difference between like losing a trade or ending up in profit, because sometimes even if you're looking at the markets, even if your mind is set up on making a 1 minute trade, you should go at least and look at all the time frames so you can make sure that you're seeing every single point of the market and how the market's been moving, because it's very difficult to see the overall movement of the market on a 1 minute time frame, for example, because you can see that because of the 1 minute time frame, it's a lot of movement, but you can see a little bit more clearly when you're on the 30 minutes, right? And that 30 minutes don't lie, so you can see that. Same thing if you were to go to it to an hour, right? You see how it's pretty much, the same. So being able to see that and then coming back to your regular time frame that you want to enter, and you're like, okay, what can I do here? What trades will be profitable? Do I think that this is gonna do I think I should enter long of longer time frames? For example, if you want to enter for an hour, 4 hours, or am I trying to get in, scalp a little bit, get the amount of money and get out of this trade? Maybe I'm gonna go a minute, maybe I'm gonna go 5, maybe I'm gonna go 3, maybe I'm gonna go 2. So that's very important when it comes to entering into your trades. So that's just something else that I think it could really give you an edge. Other things you can see, I'm always marking my support and resistance lines. While they are not like the only thing that helps to enter a good trade, they help you just to visualize and you see. I like to do 2 lines as I did. I want to do the overall highest point in the market since the opening, and then I want to go a recent high point and a recent low point, kind of to gauge where the market is moving. But you can see here, 2 minutes left. Everything is going our way, honestly. So I'm still doing the 1 trade thing. So this is going to be only 1 trade today. I'm not going to push it. And if you remember, I did the $20,000 withdrawal. It did come out of my account because you remember we were at 70 something thousand before, and just since that time we done made back about 20 bands because we took out 20,000 and now we don't make about 20,000 just over in the last week. So everything seems to be going well. I think I'm gonna withdraw some more money and then we're gonna keep it and see if we can get to 100. But if I get to 100, honestly, I'm probably gonna I don't know if I could withdraw 100 bands completely out of the account. I don't know how long it's gonna take. 20,000 took like 3 days. So before I get the confirmation, I should have made a video about it. But I think that when I make the next withdrawal, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how the withdrawal process was and how I got the money and how long it took for the process and stuff. I'm gonna show you all like the email you get before everything. As far as I know, and many people have said as well, like everyone's always asking if there's a little bit of problems with withdrawals with pocket option, but honestly, I haven't seen anyone have problems. Like people in my community don't have problems. Like I go on Reddit. If you go to the binary options Reddit page, I go on there. Everyone says that they are able to withdraw. So it's not just information coming from you because I'm trying to get you to, sign up for pocket option with my link. It's just a way for you to support the channel. And you can go into my Telegram channel as well. You can see my trades every single day. And you can see how we're going. It's absolutely free. If you want to join, you can join. And, you can spectate. You can trade at the same time. It's all based on what you want. So as you can see, 2 seconds left. Trade is obviously in the money. Compared to what our last video was when we lost a bunch, this right here is a good feeling. We had 5-minute time frame. We're in the money. We follow that candle all the way down and just follow that trend, and we're able to make some money with it. So thank you guys very much for joining me for another busy video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Follow your boy on Instagram so you can, get all the juicy details about everything that's happening in my life. So thank you guys. It's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.